Hi, I'm Lori Miller from Lori Miller Designs here at Quilt Week, and I'm teaching EQ8 quilt design software. So my tip for you is about the fabrics that you can find in the quilt design software from EQ8. So if we go into the libraries at the top of EQ8, there's one called the Fabric Library. And when you go into the Fabric Library, you can look and see in your current sketchbook, whenever you open a new project, you only have 67 default fabrics in here, but there's actually over 6,000 fabrics available. So if you go into the EQ8 Fabric Library, and they're sorted by colors, manufacturer basics, and themes. And I wanted to show you in manufacturer basics, that's really your blenders that you can find from different manufacturers. So there's all kinds of wonderful blenders you can use in here, everything from Benartex Fossil Fern to Island Batiks Basics, as well as Robert Kaufman Konas, and you can even find grunge in here. So this is just the manufacturer basics, but if you want to look by colors, you can certainly do that to find the ones that you want. Or finally, there's by themes. I like to use the one that's stripes because I like to use a stripe binding. So don't hesitate to look for more fabrics to use when you're designing your beautiful quilts.